In the princess cut blouse with a belt that we made, we attached a string at the back. So now we'll see how to make tassels for it. First we are going to invert the tassel base and then we will tie a knot with a thread right on the extra string that we have kept. And then we will first be using beads here, and for our first strand we need to take a total of 10 beads. After taking 10 beads, we then attach a coin charm at the bottom. We are using 3 coin charms here, but you can use 3 or 4 according to your preference. Use as many as you like. So now we will fix the coin charms in place here, and then through those very same 10 beads we used earlier, we'll pass the thread back through them, making the first strand strong. Alright, now we will set the strand that we have just finished. So we are setting it in this way. After this, we will tie a knot here. After tying the knot, we will then start the second strand. So for the second strand, first we will use 7 beads. After that, we will add a ghugri here. We are tying a knot in the ghugri here. Then we will set the ghugri in this way. After that, we will use 4 beads. Following this, we will attach the tassel, ensuring to tie a secure knot. And then we will pass the thread back through the beads and materials we used earlier and take it through. And then we will set the second strand in this specific way and then tie a knot here. You can also use materials of your choice, and for the beads we are using, you can make the strands shorter or longer. Adjust according to your preference. Now we will proceed to make the third strand, and first we will carefully take 9 beads for it. After that we will use a ghugri here. Tie a knot on the ghugri. After the ghugri, we will now use 4 beads. After that, we will then use a coin charm. Tie a knot on the charm. After this, we are going to take some beads, and you can take as many as you like, but we are using 4 beads for now. After taking them, we will attach the tassel. We'll tie a knot in the tassel and then pass the thread back through the beads and materials we used earlier. This action will make the strand stronger. Our third strand is also ready. And after tying a knot, we will prepare the next strand. And for the next strand, first we will take 8 beads, and after those we will attach a ghugri. After taking the ghugri, we will take 5 beads. After that, we will take a coin charm. So all materials have been threaded on. Then we'll take beads. Here also you need to take 5 beads. And again you can take as many as you like. After that, we'll attach the tassel. We'll tie a knot in the tassel, and then through all the materials we've used, we will take the thread back. And this will ensure our strand is stronger. So in this way, we have passed the thread back through all the materials. Now we will tie a knot here. After tying the knot, we will make the next strand. For the next strand, first we will take 11 beads. Then we need to add a ghugri and we will attach that. We will tie a knot on it like this, and then we will take 5 beads. After that, attach an elephant charm here. You can use any other material instead. Next, we will tie a knot on it. Now we will use the beads here, and remember you need to use 5 beads. And after that, we'll add the coin charms. They need to be threaded on together. We're using 3 coin charms here, but you can use any number you like. Now after tying a knot on the coin charms, we will pass the needle back through all the materials. This way our strand will become very strong and then we will tie a knot there. Okay, and look, you will need to tie 3 to 4 knots right here. And it's not necessary that you have to use the same materials that we have used here. You can simply use whatever materials that are easily available to you. The pattern of the strands we've made isn't fixed and you don't have to follow it. You can create your own pattern for the strands and select beads as you like. And there you have it, our tassel is now finally and completely ready. So we have to make 5 strands in this. Now you can see the tassels look